Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Let's make crispy pastry with potato. First, fry a diced onion with a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Then add a teaspoon of red powdered pepper, boiled and diced 5 potatoes and mix them with onions. Flour with a tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of mint, a tablespoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of salt, and stir them. Mix a glass of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of flour in a bowl to spread the wafers. Lay a sheet of wafer on the stand and spread the mixture as you see. Lay the second wafer on the first and spread the mixture again. Be sure that every side is wet. Divide the wafer sheet into 12 equal triangle pieces. Put some mixture and cover the pieces as you see. Spread some egg yolk on the pastry and roll them on the tray. Decorate with black sesame. Finally, bake the pastry 175 degrees heated oven till it gets golden red. You can serve with ayran. Enjoy your hot and delicious pastry. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.